Hey, 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 check out my shirt. What do you think of that? Pie, pie, pie took a bite of pie. So this pie's sad because he got a big bite out of it. But the truth is, it's not really about the pie, this pie. It's about this pie. Pi day, 3.14, 159, etc., etc., etc. So, what is pi? That's the question. When I say what is pi, people go, oh, it's 3.14. But that's just a number. How does 3.14 get formed? How does it get formed? Let's talk about it. See if you can figure it out. There's this diameter stuff, circumference stuff, there's area, there's formulas, blah, 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 blah. But what is it? How does it happen? It happens in all circles. It's kind of a fabulous thing. Let's check it out later. I like pie to eat. It's always a very good treat. But now I love pie more because I learned that it's 3.14 in math class. You hear math class. Is there a math class? Well, there is when you get into older grades, but hey, let's talk about this thing. Pi, look at that. Circle, curcle. Here's the curcle. There it is. There's a curcle. Pretty good one. Here's the deal. In a nutshell, super fast and furious. Pi. What's pi? How does pi get? What's this 3.1415? Or you know what? The other way to do it is this. A lot of people don't realize 22/7 is a nicer, simpler way to do it. 22/7. Can you see that? Hold on. Pause just for effect. Coming back. Don't worry. I'm eating a little pie over here. Just having a little pie snack. Okay. Here's the deal. This straight across the circle is the diameter. Diameter. There's that meter word, that measurement word. Okay. Straight down the circle. This around the circle is called the circumference. Okay, that's the measurement of distance around, or the perimeter of a circle. Okay. This, from the center of the circle to the edge, is called the radius. So diameter is all the way across. A radius is like a spoke on a bicycle wheel. That's how I remember that. Okay. All right, now, what is this pi thing? Okay, check it out. So if I measure, I'm going to go back to the magnet. Straight across this circle. Oh my gosh, really? Straight across this circle is about, not exact, but it's about 6 inches. Let's look at it centimeters. Oh, perfect. 15 centimeters across. Must have been made in Europe, I guess. Okay, so we have a diameter. D is 15 centimeters. Okay, so here's what pi is. The relationship of the circumference, can you see it up here? Circumference, big C, divided by the diameter equals pi. So that's the relationship. This distance around divided by the distance across is going to always equal 3.14-ish, or 22/7. Notice that 22/7 is an improper fraction. If I divide 22 by 7, 22 divided by 7, you'll notice that it goes in 3 times with 1/7 left over. So that's the mixed number of pi. So here's what we're going to do. If we basically take a diameter and multiply it by 3-ish, a little over 3, we're going to know now the circumference, the measurement around. Okay. So let's do that real quick. Okay. So what we do, we take our flexible tape here and we measure around this, and we're going to find out, what do you think? What's 3 times 15? Making this look easy, right? How easy this is? So easy. It's not. It turns out it's not that easy. In fact, it's not really that easy. So I'm going to do it on a table here. And we're going to get what? We're going to get, it's just not that easy, I'm telling you right now, to measure this around the circle. You need 2 hands. You need another 2 hands. I have 2 hands, but you need 2 people, I think, is what you really kind of need. I'm coming up with about 48 centimeters. Now I'm estimating a little bit. So we got up here, we got about 48 centimeters around the circumference there, and we got 15 as our diameter. The cool part is with circles is, and this is always the case, so whatever the diameter is, times it by 3. If all you know is the circumference, divide it by 3, and you'll know the diameter across. This is really good for measuring the circumference around a circular fountain, water fountain, on a cold winter day. You don't want to run through there, figure out the diameter. You can walk around or measure the circumference and divide it by 3, and you know how far across it is. This is every circle out there, every circle. That's pi, the relationship of the diameter to the circumference. Now, the other thing about doing it is if you wanted to figure out the surface area of your circle, and this company did to make this magnet, right? They had to figure that out because they had to put the label on it. And so what we do then, it's a weird formula. Area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. And there's a way I could show it, but it's too complicated for right now. It's a kind of cool way to do it. But anyway, the radius, and you square it. What's the radius in this case? 7.5. Now, we'd have to square that, multiply by itself. But let's just say 7 times 7, 7 squared is 49. So let's call it 50-ish. And then we're going to multiply it by 3-ish. And so we get 150-ish square centimeters of the surface area. Now, that's pretty advanced stuff, but the bottom line is the area of a circle, I heard it on the news this morning, pi isn't really the area of the circle. We use pi to find the area of the circle. Pi is the circumference divided by the diameter, and you're always going to get pi. Okay? And this is kind of a general way to think of it. 21 divided by 7, or sorry, 22 divided by 7 is going to be pi in a rounded form. And it's nice to have a fraction version to use fractions. Pi. So anyway, happy Pi Day.